Cheers mates, how's life? I just realized I never really showed you how to edit to machine a MALOSSI piston. That's the MALOSSI Sport. MALOSSI MHR is the same. It's in 2 or 1 ring. Sport is always in 2 ring. You need to know 2 ring is 2 ring because they transfer also heat, of course. Just racing is 1 ring, so don't let anyone fool you into a 1 ring piston. Oh, I remember Warp 5, the PDF online, how to edit a piston, and wow, 1.5 horsepower, yeah. With bad carb setting, you can screw up even more. MALOSSI comes with marked pistons, what you can remove. You can remove this, you can remove this, and it's still stable. Because what we need is the proper connection from the skirt to the piston pin eye. MALOSSI Sport 210, 2000 kilometers, and what you can see here is that there are some scratch marks, so piston was kissing the cylinder. It's totally fine. It just shows where piston gets stressed. You see here. And what you see here is from here till down. It's also a bit stressed and striped, and especially this edge here. Can you see that? Yeah. These beams are really, really tiny. That's the cutout that the piston with long stroke does not hit the engine case. Yeah, that's very nice, but this got quite thin. So my recommendation is you cut yourself. All of this has to go. It's not needed. So you eliminate a potential failure, because when this cracks, it will destroy your engine case, or at least the rotor wheel pad, and that's not what we want. I did cut it out and then around the edges, and it looks like that now. And does it look scary? No, come on. The most important thing is that you do not hurt these beams here. These. One potential failure spot, this beam here, successfully removed. Some edges rounded here, face. That's how you do it. That can be removed at the MALOSSI piston. How does it look like when you have removed it? It could be, for instance, look like that. That's how you can optimize a MALOSSI piston. What you see here is that no need for it. You won't gain so much. I did not remove this part here. Why? Yeah, come on. A little bit bigger hole is fine. You don't need this. You just let a little bit more meat here so to be on the safer side. Yeah, that's it. Still got some stories coming up. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. Schremser today it is. Cheers.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?